Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Jamie, the owner of Not Too Shabby Shop. I'm so glad you could join us today. We are celebrating Delaney Jane Cards 500 subby milestone. So congratulations, Renee. She was so generous to purchase a $25 gift certificate from Not Too Shabby for a prize for one lucky commenter. This giveaway is open to US and international. In 1 week, she will randomly choose the giveaway winner from all the hop comments. If the winner does not claim their prize within a week, she'll have to choose an alternate winner. If you click the subscribe button or hit the little bell, that will give you a notification when she posts a new video. That way you can see when she posts the giveaway winner video. Today I am watercoloring for the first time. I have used the Zig Clean Color Real Brush Marker Set and watercolor pencils, but I have not tried watercolor pan sets. So I had brought these into the shop and I was dying to try them out. So this is the Alta New half pan set. There's beautiful colors in here from a range of landscape colors. We've got the sunset, the sky, trees, the ground, everything perfect for your landscape. So I had quickly swatched these out so I get an idea of what I'm working with. Look at all those beautiful colors. I think I'm going to use that red sunset for the stamped image. This is a Hero Arts image. It's their Magnolia. I have it in the clearance section. If you want to check out my clearance section, I think I have 3 left. Plus, I'll have all the products listed below in the description box for you. I'd love to know your favorite watercolor paper down below in the comments. I am new to watercoloring. The only watercolor paper I have on hand is a Canson XL watercolor paper, and it has kind of a creamy tint to it. And the only white watercolor paper that I have on hand is from the Paper Cuts, and I noticed that this paper doesn't move the colors very well. It kind of just soaks down into the paper. But that's what I'm using today, and I really don't have any tips on how to watercolor because I don't know how to watercolor, so I am just playing around for my first time here. If you want to leave me any tips in the description box, I'd love to hear them. I'll just play some music so you can watch my process here, and I thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate that, and I hope you enjoy the hop. You'll see the next person in line for the hop in my description box.